So this video will let you know how to get into the Blackboard system for Calculus 1. And so what you're going to want to do is go to the Morehead State homepage at moreheadstate.edu. Pretty much any browser will work here. I have Firefox open. Once you're at this homepage, easiest way to get to Blackboard probably is go to the Current Students menu and click on the Blackboard link in the drop-down menu there. Now to log in, surprisingly enough, you're going to click on the User Login button. Now, some of you have a Blackboard account already. If you've taken a class at this university with Blackboard, then that account is still good here. So if you have an account, you want to log in here. Now, if this is your first class at Morehead State or your first class using Blackboard at Morehead State, you can get into Blackboard. And your username is going to be M and your MSU ID number. So for me, that's this number right here. And your password is going to be actually an 8-digit number. And the first 4 digits of that 8-digit number is going to be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. So whatever the last 4 digits of your Social Security number are, followed by the 4-digit year of your birth. So whatever that happens to be, 1953 or whatever that is. So that's going to be your initial password along with your username of M and your MSU ID. And again, your initial password, if you never logged into Blackboard before, the first 4 digits are the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, followed by the 4-digit year of your birth, and that'll get you in. So let me get my correct password in there. Don't look. And if we click log in, guess we won't have it remember, but you may want to. Okay, once you're in the Blackboard, again, if you've had some classes in Blackboard before, you may see a section show up right here, My Courses. But right now we don't have anything listed in My Courses. So what we want to do then is go ahead and enroll in the Calculus course. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on My Courses, the tab up there on the top. And then we're going to, you can either go through the course catalog here, or the easiest way to do it is just to type in Calculus 1 in the course search. So Calculus I. And it should show up here. If you scroll down to the bottom, there's a couple calculuses. One is Calc 3 with Dr. O'Brien. You'll want to take that someday, but that day is not today. The other one is my class here, Schrader's Calculus 1. So we are section 3 here. Make sure you get in the correct one. And click on Enroll. Now you are going to have an access code, and in that access code we're going to type in, it's going to be Huskers, Huskers, because as you know, they are the best college football team of all time, and they will be paying very close attention to the Nebraska Cornhuskers throughout the fall semester. So I'm going to type in Huskers, lowercase h, Huskers, and click on Submit. And that should get us into the class. Let's see. Success, we are in. Okay, so we click on OK to continue. And now, let's see what we get here. We are on the home page of our course. Alright, so you're in. And also notice that if you click on My MSU now, it should show up in your My Courses. So this is when you log in again. You're going to be taken to this page, your My MSU page, and in the upper right hand corner here, My Courses, your course will be there, and when you click on it, you'll be able to go directly into our course. Now, any announcements that I post will be on the very first page. You'll see that first thing. Pay close attention to that because I will be posting announcements here. Information about me is in the second link, and my email address, office phone, and office hours are listed there. The course information is here. The main thing there is the syllabus, so you are responsible for the syllabus, as you know, so make sure that you read that carefully if you did not do so earlier. The next section is course documents. I don't have anything posted there right now, but that's where I will post the sections, the unit timeline, unit schedules, along with the potential quiz problems, and also exam reviews and exam correct answers after the exams are over. Very important tab is going to be assignments. You'll go there a lot. And that's probably what you're going to want to do first. When you're done watching this video, the next thing you'll want to do is go to this Assignments tab and click on this Cengage video. And what that's going to do is that's going to be a video that's going to tell you exactly how to get into Cengage, where most of your homework is going to be done. Once you watch that video, then you can click on this link for your Cengage assignments. And the first thing you're going to do is that Cengage tutorial. You need a password to get into that, and that can be found in the video that you watch. Once you're done with that tutorial, you'll be able to do the rest of the assignments. And you'll start with your Unit 1 assignments. You'll notice that we have a few posted already, and their due dates are listed as well. Due dates are negotiable if things aren't going so well. For the class, we get a little bit behind. These aren't hard and fast due dates, but they're where they're at right now. And so you can see you have plenty that you can do if you get bored. And so we'll put all the Unit 1 assignments in this folder, all the Unit 2 assignments, the assignments between Exam 1 and Exam 2 here, assignments between Exam 2 and Exam 3 in this folder, and assignments between Exam 3 and the final in this folder here. So again, the next thing, once you're done with this, log into Blackboard and watch this Cengage tutorial video. That will show you how to do the homework for Cengage. Next thing that you should do is you can look through the rest of this stuff. Communication, of course, will allow you to send email, discussion board. You can use that if you want. But what you need to do, speaking of email, is make sure you have the correct email address that you want so that when I send an email through Blackboard, you get it. And so what you're going to do is click on this Tools button here and then click on Personal Information. And this will be the email address. If you click on Edit Personal Information, you can change all of your personal information here, and including that email address. So make sure that this is set to the one that you're going to read so that when I do send a message out through Blackboard, you'll read it. So you're responsible for making sure that any messages I send out through Blackboard get to you. Once you have all that information set, you can click Submit on that, and you can check over everything again. Looks good. And now, let's see, any other stuff. You can look around here. Don't think I have any external links up just yet. No. Discussion board, like I said, you're welcome to use that if you want. Start your own discussions. Nothing's going to be monitored by me per se, but I'll check in if there are discussions that are going. You want to ask questions through this, I'll be happy to answer them that way. And then, of course, this last link here will take you directly to the Morehead State Library page. Okay, so again, that should be about all you need to know. Next thing you're going to want to do is log into your Blackboard site, click on the Assignments tab, and then click on this Cengage video link, and that should play a video directly inside your browser there. And hopefully you'll have a little bit faster connection than I do. You'll be able to watch that video. This video does mention the class from my summer class, so anytime that does that, of course, it applies to this fall class as well. So you can just click right there, and that'll get going. All right. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any point during the semester, and we'll try and get those questions answered for you. Oh yeah, and one more thing we want to do. While you're in there checking your email, or changing your email with your personal information, again, the default email that is going to be set to is going to be your Morehead State account. So if that's not the account you're going to be checking, then make sure you change it. But you also want to change your password there, especially if this is your first time logging in. You don't want your password to be your last four digits of your Social Security followed by your 4-digit year of birth. So you want to type in your new password and verify that and click on Submit. So make sure you do that as well while you're in this tool section and changing your email address to the one that you want. All right, again, let me know if you have any questions.